I am Tirthesh. You are watching Tech Mania, World of Knowledge. So today in this class, let us learn what is the De Morgan's second law 2 states. So in previously we have learned De Morgan's first theorem, which states that the sum of the complements is equal to product of the individual component. But De Morgan's second law rule states that a product of the complement is equal to sum of the individual components. So let us see how does we write that in a logical variable structure. So the product of the complement. First we should write the product. So two values x into y and its complement is equal to sum of their individual components. Individual complement means x and y. Individual component. So what we say? We say a sum. So x plus y. This is how we say the product of their individual product of the complement is equals to sum of their individual complements. So De Morgan's second rule states that the product of the complement is equals to sum of the individual component. So let us write the logical diagram first, logical gate. So x bar and y bar. So we should check out for inputs. There are two inputs. What we should do? We should put two inputs, x and y. Okay, we should put two inputs. Next, what we should do? We should check for the gate. Which gate we have used? We have used the AND gate. So logical multiplication it is a AND gate. So we are going to put the AND gate now. AND gate. Okay, this is the AND gate. So this is the AND gate. After that, we should have a bar, means we should also have a NOT gate. So what this gate will provide you? This gate will provide you the x into y. Next, what we should do? We should put the NOT gate over there. Put NOT gate means it's an inverse gate. So whatever things will give, it will provide will the invert you the value to x into y bar. So this is equals to what does it will provide now? Now a negotiation between both symbol and OR gate. So x bar means we are going to put the NOT gate again. Going to put the NOT gate again. And y bar also you are going to put the NOT gate again. Together it provides x bar plus y bar, means we are going to use the AND operation, no, OR operation. So together, okay. This provides you x bar plus y bar. So this is the logical gate representation for second De Morgan's theorem. So second law, De Morgan's second rule. So it says that the product of the complement, means for the product I am going to use the AND gate, its complement using a NOT gate. It will provide the sum of the individual complements. So these are the individual components, means it will provide a sum. So it says that x bar plus y bar. So this is the sum. So product of the complements. Product of the complement is equal to sum of their individual components. So let us prove this theorem. So to prove, how do we prove this theorem? Previously we had for the De Morgan's first law also we used the complement rule, and here again we are going to use the complement rule itself. So how do we use the complement rule now to proof? Okay, now proof. Let us take a complement rule. Complement rule which states that x plus x bar is equals to 1, x into x bar is equals to 0. Okay? So for this let us assume that P is equals to x into y, because here why I am going to assume that P is equal to x into y, because it is a product of their complement, which is sum of the individual components, and P bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. Okay, this is the assumption. So now what we do after assuming, what we should prove? We should prove that to prove which is equals to, we should prove as P plus P bar is equals to 1 and P into P bar is equals to 0. We should prove as P plus P bar is equals to 1 and P into P bar is equals to 0. So same as, let us take this case as a case 1 and this as case 2. So now let us solve case 1 and case 2. So now let us solve case 1. Case 1. So for case 1 what we say? We said that we should prove as P plus P bar is equals to 0. We should prove P plus P bar is equals to 1. So how do we prove that P plus P bar is equals to 1 now? So let us as we have assumed P into P is equals to x into y and P bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. We just substitute that. Now P is equals to x into y, P bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So P into x into y, P bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. Okay. Now what we should do here? We should apply De Morgan's theorem. So how do we do? X into y plus z means, which says x plus xy. X plus yz, right? What does it say? X plus y into x plus z. Okay. Now we should apply that theorem in here. So how do I apply that? Now to apply, I am going to use the De Morgan theorem. This is x, this is yz. Okay, y plus z, yz. Okay, how do we do that now? Or we can say this is x, this is yz. So here x bar plus y bar will multiply with x plus x into x bar plus y bar plus 1. Okay, now this one. So now what we do? We interchange the values. Now let us make it equal now. So x bar plus x plus y bar, okay, into x bar plus y bar plus y. So x plus x bar, as you all know that we have said x plus x bar is 1. So 1 plus y bar, 1 plus y bar, x bar plus 1. So the properties of Boolean algebra says that if 1 is added to any of the variable, it returns as 1 itself. So 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1. So this says that case 1 is satisfied. This says that case 1 is satisfied. Now let us work on case 2. So case 2 says that case 2 says as case 1. Okay, now case 2. So the case 2 says that P into P bar is 0. Case 2. It says that P into P bar is equal to 0. So as we know, we have P means x into y plus P bar into P bar means x bar plus y bar. Okay. Now what we should do now? We should apply De Morgan's theorem over here. So how do we apply De Morgan's theorem? Here we are going to multiply this with here, and again we are multiplying with this side. So now how do we do that with De Morgan's theorem now? So x bar into y bar. So x bar, x into y into x bar. Okay. Plus x into y bar. So let us rearrange this. X into x bar into y plus x into y bar. Okay. Now next what we should do? Now as we all know that x into x bar into 0. So anything if you multiply by 0 it gives 0 plus 0. So which is equals to 0. So what we proved, P into P bar is equal to 0, and here we have used P plus P bar is equal to 0. So hence we have proved, De Morgan's theorem. Hence we have put De Morgan's theorem. So this is how we prove a De Morgan's theorem. So this says that product of the complement is equal to sum of the individual complement. X into y bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. So this says that a product of the complement is equal to sum of their individual complements. So this is how we are going to prove the De Morgan's theorem. So when we prove this De Morgan's theorem, even we can do this in a truth table. So how do we do this in a truth table now? So to draw a truth table, let us take a truth table and also take the input. So let us prove this in a truth table. Okay. So let us prove this in a truth table. Now to take a truth table, what is the theorem says? It says that x into y whole bar is equals to x bar into x bar plus y bar. So how do we do this in a truth table? So how many inputs are there here? We have two inputs. So x, y. Okay. Now what we have? Now we should complement that x bar, y bar. Next what we should do? We should also complement x into y bar. So x into y. Okay. Next x into y bar. Last x bar plus y bar. Okay. This is our truth table. This is our truth table. Okay. Now let us write the values. Means here two values. So 2 to the power of 2 which is equals to 4. So what we should write? I should write 0 from 0 to 3. Okay. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. So here now x bar means, now x bar what will get x bar? We get x bar as 1 1 0 0. Now y bar means here 0 means we get 1, 1 means we get 0, 0 means we get 1, 1 means we get 0. Next x into y. What will do x into y? So 0 into 0 is 0. Okay. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now x into y bar differentiate. Now we do differentiation, means we complement that x into y. So 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Okay. Next. Now what we should do? We should add x plus y bar. X bar plus y bar. So how do we do x bar plus y bar? So 1 plus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So check out the columns. We have identical column here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth column and seventh column we have identical column. Identical means equal column. Identical means we have equal column. You check here. X into y bar means also we have 1 1 1 0, and x bar plus y bar x bar plus y bar also we have 1 1 and 0. So this says we satisfy theorem x into y bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. So this is how we do a Boolean algebra theorem of Boolean algebra. Hope you understood this class. So this is the very important theorem. In first theorem it states that sum of the complement is equals to product of the individual complement. This second theorem states the product of the complement is equal to sum of the individual complements. So both are one and the same, but De Morgan's first law mainly stress on OR gate, De Morgan's second law mainly stress on AND gate. That's what the difference is. So hope you enjoyed this class and also you understood